few important remarks in trigonometry. Out of that, this sine of minus theta, you have learned it is nothing but minus sine theta, and cos of minus theta, we have learned that is as cos theta. The rest of the remarks you are going to. Likewise, this whole series we are going to complete. What is pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 plus theta, pi minus theta, pi plus theta, and so on up to 2 pi. Maybe complementary. Pi by 2 means 90. Sin 90 minus theta, you are aware over here it will be coming cos theta, and cos of 90 minus theta here you are getting as sin theta. Now question arises, how to get this column, how to get this column. Okay. Now I am just trying to explain what is the method of this. For that there are few important remarks. So one of the most important remark in trigonometry I am going to explain. Let us look at this circle. This is a unit circle. What is the meaning of unit circle? Correct. Radius will be 1. Radius will be 1. Being a unit circle, this point I should call it is as 1, 0. Let us consider this point. I just name it is as B. And the central angle over here also I just take it is as B. Let us consider B. So this point I will call it is as, say it is as P. This is consider Q because I have to use A and B for the angle. Now the point P is nothing but cos B and sin B. Do you agree? Okay. There is one more point here. Say this point is R. And if you ask me what will be this angle in this part, then this angle I am just sharing, it will be B. It will be B. Let us say it is A. It will be A. If it is A, this angle is A, then R will be nothing but cos A and sin A. Okay. Looking at this one, suppose I am asking you what will be the angle POR. POR, this angle we want, this is a complete one A and this part is reduced, then it will be nothing but A minus B. Similarly, what I am going to do, I am going to mark one more point on this arc and calling this point as S, and this point S will be, means that SOQ will be A minus B. So this is nothing but A minus B. If I am asking about this angle is A minus B, then coordinate of S will be equal to, S will be nothing but what? Cos of A minus B, and over here sin of A minus B. Now there are two A minus B angles. This is POR is also A minus B and SOQ also A minus B. If the central angles are same, if I am saying like this, then can I may say that SQ length arc and it will be PR. This arc will be same, as well as if you are connecting like this chord also will be same, this chord. So I am considering this chord will be now same. What is SQ in this particular case? SQ is nothing but the distance formula which I am using. S and Q, look here, S and Q. S coordinate I have written here. So it will be 1 minus cos of A minus B the whole square plus distance formula I am applying 0 minus sin of A minus B the whole square. This is nothing but the value of SQ will be equal to PR. Look at the P and look at the R. P and R. It will be cos B minus sin A, cos A the whole square plus sin B minus sin A the whole square. Now two things I am doing simultaneously. I am squaring on both sides so that this root will be disappear and opening the bracket. It will be 1 plus cos square A minus B minus 2 cos of A minus B plus sin square A minus B. will be equal to, this is cos square b plus cos square a minus 2 cos a cos b plus sin square b plus sin square a minus 2 sin a into sin of b. Now see some remark. This cos square a minus b, this is sin square a minus b is 1, and this one it will be 2 minus 2 cos of a minus b will be equal to, this cos square b, this sin square b is 1, this cos square a sin square a is 1, 1 plus 1 is, it will be 2 cos a cos b minus 2 sin a sin b. Okay, now simplify, the 2 will get cancelled, take out minus 2 common and simplify. So what you are getting, cos of a minus b will be equal to cos a cos b over here plus sin a sin b. This is the most important remark. You may say it is a culprit remark, because if it is, this is not there, then whole trigonometry will be dropped. So it is most important remark, and which will help you to deduce many remarks. Okay. In the above remark, everywhere replace b by minus b. So what is the left hand side? It will be cos of a plus b will be equal to cos a cos of minus b plus sin a over here sin of minus b. Now left hand side is nothing but cos of a plus b only, cos of a plus b only. This is cos a, but cos of minus theta is, sin of minus theta is what? Minus. So it will be, this is another remark, this is another remark, this is another remark. You should know that also. Cos of a minus b is what? Cos of a plus b is what? What is their utility? That we'll talk. Okay. Now the things which is known to you is, I am writing complementary formula, sin 90 minus theta and cos of 90 minus theta. These two remarks are known to you. So what I am doing now, look here, sin of 90 minus theta, sin of 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. So replace theta will be equal to minus theta. What you will get, sin of 90 plus theta will be equal to cos of theta. But cos of 90 minus theta is nothing but sin of theta. Over here, if you are changing this, then you will get cos of 90 plus theta on the left hand side will be equal to sin of 90. So it is nothing but minus sin theta, minus sin theta. So these two more remarks is nothing but this thing. Look here. This is sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta. But now you have received two more remarks. Sin 90 plus theta. What is sin 90 plus theta? This is cos theta. And what is cos 90 plus theta? It will be minus sin theta. It will be minus sin theta. Okay. Apart from that, these are the basic things which you are learning earlier. Now there are new remarks are coming. The two remarks which I have shared just now. Then question arises whether we have a formula with the sign. Suppose you are asking me what is sin of a minus b, then I can write it will be cos of pi by 2 minus a plus b. Do you agree up to this? Can also be written as cos pi by 2 minus a minus b. Now to simplify further, I am just trying to use this. Cos of a minus b will be equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos of the first angle, cos of the second angle, plus sin of the first angle, sin of the second angle. Now cos of the first angle, cos of the second angle, plus sin of the first angle and sin of the second angle. Okay. Now cos 90 minus theta, it will be sin theta. Over here cos b, this is cos a, this is sin b. This is another remark. Whatever I am writing in a rectangular box, all are the new remarks which you should keep in mind. This is also, this also you can, this is we have put in the tabular form. So now what is sine of a plus b will be equal to sine a cos b plus cos a into sine b. Now replace here b to minus b. Left hand side will be what? Sine of a minus b. Correct. Now I'm just jumping one step extra. This is sine a as it is. Cos of b, if you are changing here, it will be nothing but sine a cos b. There is no change. This cos a I am writing as it is. What is sine of minus b? It will be minus sine b. So this is nothing but. Now we have got now 4 different remarks. That remarks you can just tabulate properly. The first one is sine of a plus b. Below that sine of a minus b. This order you write. We have learned in a different order, but you should keep in this form. Always this is to be useful in many ways. This is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. This is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Over here cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. And this is cos a cos b plus sine a into sine b. These 4 remarks will be coming many times. Initially we'll talk about what is their utility, how to use these remarks, and later on that can be used in many cases. Okay, so shall we conclude this discussion? This is most important remark which will be helpful to get the answer.